alive and kicking strong these days with the introduction of the old legendary 5-liter V8 remastered in modular form, being planted firmly in history with the 2011 Ford Mustang. 412 horsepower, 390 foot-pounds of torque, all that in a lightweight aluminum block, and improved gas mileage to go along with it? It's no doubt the 5-liter Mustang is hitting the road by storm. Today on this segment of Power TV, we'll show you a sound comparison test on this, a 2011 5-liter Ford Mustang. With this, Flowmaster's and Hush Power's latest line of street performance stainless steel AxleBack exhaust systems. We'll be installing and sound testing the Flowmaster and Hush Power AxleBack exhaust systems available for the 2011 Mustang. The first, Hush Power's AxleBack system. Right out of the box, we were impressed by the Hush Power's 3-inch Pro Series shorty mufflers built with 409S stainless steel that gives not only durability but also an impressive moderate sound. The system utilizes the factory mounts and hangers and is topped off with their 4-inch polished tips. And second, Flowmaster's 3-inch AxleBack American Thunder exhaust system, designed to deliver what we consider a classic 5-liter sound to go along with the added benefits of improved fuel mileage and horsepower. The system features a pair of stainless steel specially built 2-chamber mufflers that offer the deep and aggressive signature exhaust sound that Flowmaster is so known for. We'll begin our first of 2 tests with an idle, rev, launch, and drive-by comparison. Let's hear the first, Hush Power's 3-inch AxleBack system. Hush Power's Dyno-Tune Shorty Pro Series mufflers utilize Hush Power technology to provide decent power gains to go along with an impressive sound. Second up, Flowmaster's 3-inch American Thunder AxleBack system. Right out of the box, you'll notice this system has a pretty moderate to aggressive sound, designed to add increased throttle response, power, and mileage. Now let's move on to the interior. First up, Hush Power's AxleBack system. The Hush Power AxleBack system possesses a quiet interior tone throughout cruising speeds, but also adds an aggressive tone when needed at wide open throttle. Just perfect for a daily driver. On to the Flowmaster American Thunder AxleBack system. The interior sound of the American Thunder system is very similar to the Hush Power system. Quiet during normal cruising speeds, yet much more aggressive when the throttle is opened up. Let's run through the comparisons one last time. Impressed by both of these exhaust systems. The Hush Power exhaust had a great daily driver moderate tone to it, while the Flowmaster system had a more aggressive yet still daily drivable tone to it. A definite improvement over the stock exhaust, much needed to go along with that 412 horsepower 5-liter under the hood. For more information on these late model 5-liter Mustang exhaust systems, check out flowmastermufflers.com and hushpower.com.